Okay, in the part 1 we have discussed how to add classes and how to add subjects into those classes, and finally how to add students into a class. Okay, now we are going into the part 2 of this session. So how to conduct a quiz. So log in into your admin section and click on quiz test. So here we can see list of quizzes that are active. So currently it is empty. So now I'm going to create a new quiz. For that I have to click on add new quiz test. So then we have to select for which class we are conducting the quiz and click on add new quiz button. Once we have selected the class, we have to select the subject to those class. We have two subjects for MCOM class. So I'll select one subject and the quiz name. So chapter is optional and difficulty level of the whole quiz. And there are two options for time calculation. One is question based timer and another one is quiz based timer. If it is quiz based timer, then it will be the time will be calculated for each question. So suppose say for example one question will carry for 1 minute. So if it is a quiz based timer, it will be for whole quiz. Suppose we have 10 questions and 10 minutes for the quiz, the student can complete all the questions anywhere between those 10 minutes. And after that we have to provide allowed time. This is nothing but the duration for which the student is allowed to log in into the quiz. Suppose I have selected 9 a.m. as the starting time. The student is allowed between 9 to 9:10. So within those 10 minutes he can start the quiz. First then we have to select the quiz date and the start time. So I'll give it as it is in 24-hour format. So I'll give it as 9:15 p.m. and quiz instructions. This is optional and click on generate quiz. So once we have generated the quiz, we have to add questions into that quiz. There are two options to add questions to the quiz. One is the questions from the question bank and another one is add question. So once we have gone to the add question section, we can see to add the question only to this quiz or also to the question bank. If we add it to the question bank, we can add it in use it in the future. So once we have clicked this, those questions will be added to the question bank and we can add it, reuse that question from here. So next, select the difficulty for that question and the marks. So topic, it is optional and give the question. So enter the question. Is the national of India and provide four options to that. Select the correct option among those, and these are optional ones: hint, question detail, and solution. Solution can be used for mathematics like subjects. We can provide step-by-step solutions. Click on save data. Once it is saved, we can see the list of questions over here. So we can add n number of questions in this way. So this is how we are going to add questions to the quiz. So now you can see here One quiz is active at present, and let us see how it looks for the student. So let me log out of the admin. So we have 5 more minutes. So let me demonstrate the admin part clearly. Once the students completes the quiz, we can view the report, like how many students are there, and like what is the marks they have scored. So here we can see we have one student and he has not attempted the quiz yet. So once the quiz starts, I'll go there and I'll attend the quiz. Mm, Still we have 5 more minutes. Okay, let me log out and move the student part to the next video.